everyone. You're welcome to my presentation, which is 3D visualization and analysis of cell viability using ParaView. And I'm going to take you through how to analyze data using ParaView, which is a tool that is used to analyze scientific data. So basically, viability and cell viability, it is the ability of cells to survive or grow and function under certain condition. Excuse me. And cells were put into a well, and then we want to see if the provided oxygen is enough for them to stay alive. This is our analysis. This is the final. We want to get the 3D, and we can see that now. You can see the green in the the blue. There are higher chances that they will survive here than that they will survive here. So, okay, thank you. Let us start. First of all, I have my data set, and the native data set for analyzing in ParaView, it is VTK, and I'm going to import. First, this is my data. It has a lot of points, or a lot of data points, and I can select one of them. I'm going to first analyze one, and later on I will analyze how can we analyze the group, so that we can get simulation out of it. So when I import it, something appears in my pipeline browser, and I click apply. So when I click apply, I can analyze it, put a scalar, I can put surface, so depending on what you want. And I put scalar, it has come back to surface, and I can change. Let me change the loops. Maybe this one is better. The preset, and if I want to, now you see something, this key here, it is the oxygen concentration, and now I can even if I want to put it in 3D, and I say extract edges, and I apply, and when I apply, this is my 3D, but now I want to view it in scalar form. So we can see my 3D like visual, and you can analyze it that like cells in green are more likely to survive than cells in brown, maybe. So that is it. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to analyze using different using a group of data points instead of one, and it is still the same. I import. This time I'm going to import it as a group, and you can see the difference there. It is the asterisk. The other one, the first one did have asterisk, but this one has asterisk, and still I click apply. So when I click apply, the cell has come, and I analyze it in my scalar, and I can try to change the preset. Maybe this time we use rainbow colors, I was still saying that the difference between the first one, where we're analyzing for the single point, is this one has given us the time scale. And if you want, maybe let us try to choose up to 6 seconds. You can see how it is. And so well, I'm going to try to bring out the animation. One, I will have first the scale, the data. Let me scale it. A minute, yes. And let's see. This one. So now let us come back to our first frame. Then we can try to again make it into 3D and upright here. And I still want my mascara and see how it is. I can try to bring it into a solid, how it is. So what does it mean? That cells that are likely to survive are the ones that are concentrated in the middle here, in the middle of the well. So those are the cells that are likely to survive. And I can go back to my thing here. Let me try to make some animation. How do I save? You can save state, or then after you reload the state, then I want to save some animation, and come here, I put the name oxygen, I say concentration of oxygen. I say I want it to save it as a video, and I say okay. Then it will bring me here the image resolution, the image color. I should end the color, the frame here. Let me put it up to 10 seconds. Then from here I save it, and we give it time for it to save. So this ParaView is a good tool that is used for analyzing scientific data, and here we have used it to analyze cell viability, so that we can see where these cells can be put for them to survive and for how long can they survive. So as it is finishing saving, thank you so much. God bless.